This orange is so good!
If you think that your orange will beat me in a battle, you're wrong!
Wanna fight?
No! Let's do this watch!
Sounds good!
Sir, what time is it?
ELA, deuce, S.
Wrong! It's hammer time! Excuse me, dramatic looking sir, what time is it?
LA, 10 hours.
Correct!
Yeah!
Let's do it. As a whistle.
Okay.
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 Okay. Time for me to blow you, orange. Damn it!
I love you, Apple. Don't let me down, babe. It works! Let's use it as a gun.
Yeah, let's bang it.
Oh, I see what you did there. Stop right there! Don't shoot me, I'm 3 ways of the kid! I guess if you count to 10, then you pass. But in French. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Not good enough!
Dude, you shot him.
I know, it's pretty cool.
It was an apple.
I know, I didn't even think it would actually work.
It worked.
So, am I gonna have to go to jail for this?
No,
You sure?
no. Did you put the safety on?
I actually didn't know if there was a safety or not. Do you think there's a safety?
Yeah.
There's actually...
Yeah, there's a safety.
Learn something new every day.
Let's do it as a food.
Wait, are you serious? Don't let me down.
Dude, I think you won. I'm admitting defeat.
What did you do?
I threw my orange off there and it went boom. Boom!
That's a shame.
In your face! No!
Joel, congratulations. You just won Food Battle 2013. How do you feel?
What?
Yeah! What are you gonna do next?
I'm gonna go have a party!
Can I come?
Yeah!
Really? Not. Right there! Don't shoot me! I have 3 wives and 1 girlfriend! Joel!
Hello guys,
Congratulations! This one Food Battle 2013. How do you feel?
Do that.